Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. You remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1957 Ford Ranchero, killer little truck, car, whatever you want to classify them as. Very nicely done. This is PPG Renaissance Red and Cream. Gentleman does have the paint code. He's got a bunch of stuff that goes with this car, actually, that the restoration photos. Car was complete frame off restoration done. It looks like it started in 2000, completed around 02, but then it looks like they upgraded the drivetrain again in 19. Again, gorgeous color combination. Again, a lot of stuff that actually goes with the car. Really nicely done. This came out of a Ford collection. Guy had, I guess, quite a few Fords, and this is just a sweetheart, man. Great looking car, runs and drives excellent. They put vintage air on it. Like I say, just a killer car. Really nice paint. They did a nice job on the interior. Chrome and stainless is really nice. Lot of money spent on this car. Dual chrome mirrors, glass is really nice. I'll show you that interior too, it's kind of cool. This is like a burlap, and he's put extra material in there, which is really cool. Added a third brake light. Yeah, look how nice that trim is. Very nicely done bed. Again, all this stuff has been redone. Pretty car. Nice and straight down the sides, sits good. Whoever painted it did a really nice job too. It's got some slick paint on it. Those are Silvertown radial red lines on it. 15-inch American Racing torque thrust 2s. Front disc brakes. .302 engine, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. Again, they've upgraded it to vintage AC, ceramic headers. It's got a Borgeson quick ratio power steering unit on it. And look, I mean, everywhere you look, this thing is just nice. It's an Accel distributor, aluminum radiator. You can see they got the shroud on it. C4 automatic trans. Wipers do work, but we're gonna have to repark them. Come on to make sure they did work though. New mirrors, new door handles. You can see how nice the door seams are, and this is cool. It's like a two-tone interior. It's really done nice. And then this is like done in a burlap, and he's put some extra material in there, which is really cool. I've got new floor mats on the way for it. Headliner's nice. It's got a Flaming River tilt column in it with a billet wheel. 73061, that's the original miles on the car. Like I say, it looks like they redid the drivetrain in 19, but I don't know what the miles are since. Aftermarket gauges, you got aftermarket tack here. Retro radio. Dual exhaust, factory rear axle, no big gear or anything, definitely a cruiser. Yeah, look how nice that thing is done. I mean, they did a beautiful job on this truck. Again, there's receipts for the resto, original owner's manuals, which are really cool. Pictures of the resto. There's a log in there of when stuff was done. Fit and finish is really nice. Car's nice underneath, not overdone. I think you said they did put a floor pan in there, if I remember right. Yeah, that's like this is really cool, really different, and nicely done. I mean, you can see the jambs are beautiful. Look how nice the dash is painted. Air works, flows cold. It's the bottom unit that actually runs that. Good looking car. Dash lights all work. Tack works down there. It's good oil pressure. Everything opens and closes really nice. Good sound. Radio works. Blower motor, like I said, the lower unit's what works the air. It is vintage heat and AC. Again, we got to repark the wipers and make sure that gets it done. I know that turn signals. Yeah, we'll check it. Okay guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.